Ever felt earbuds get uncomfortable after hours? Or struggle to keep up with conversations abroad? Maybe you just want to hear your music and the world. I get it. Finding the right headphones is tough. Most earbuds press too hard or block out everything. And switching between languages? Always a hassle. That's why I tried the Soundcore AeroFit 2 by Anker. Check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. These open-ear headphones changed my daily routine. First, they're incredibly comfortable. Soft materials and a non-invasive fit. No ear fatigue. The double-curved design fits nearly every ear. 4 adjustable ear hooks keep them secure all day. I barely notice I'm wearing them. And since they're open ear, I stay aware of my surroundings. Perfect for walks, travel, or busy streets. Now, about that language barrier. These earbuds have real-time AI translation. Supports 100 languages, seriously. Just speak, and it translates instantly. It's like having a personal interpreter in your ear. Great for vacations or global meetings. No more awkward misunderstandings. And if you need help, just say, "Hey, Anka." Anka, the built-in AI assistant, is always ready. Ask questions, get reminders, control your music, hands-free. It's productivity made simple. Let's talk sound, because it's amazing. The bass is deep and vibrant. Thanks to 20mm x 11.5mm racetrack drivers. BassTurbo acoustics make every beat pop. Plus, Bluetooth 5.4 and LDS mean high-res audio. Music sounds rich, clear, and stable. No dropouts, no lag, just pure listening joy. Battery life? It's a game changer. Get 8.5 hours on a single charge. With the case, that's up to 35 hours total. And wireless charging keeps things tangle-free. Just drop the case on the pad and go. No more hunting for cables. Let me show you how easy it is. Pop the earbuds in, no adjusting needed. They sit gently, even after hours. Take a call, then listen to music. Switch to translation mode in seconds. Traveling? Instantly understand new languages. Jogging? Stay safe and aware of traffic. Need help? Just say, "Hey, Anka." Get weather updates, reminders, or control your playlist. Everything is smooth, fast, and hands-free. Even after a full day, my ears feel great. No pressure, no sweat, just comfort. And when it's time to recharge, it's effortless. Set the case down, wireless charging starts. Ready for another day in minutes. The IP55 rating means sweat and rain are no problem. So workouts and commutes are worry-free. I love how these fit into my lifestyle, whether I'm traveling, working, or relaxing. Soundcore AeroFit 2 adapts to every moment. No more choosing between comfort and awareness. No more language barriers or missed calls. Just seamless, smart listening all day. If you're a traveler, tech lover, or multilingual user, these are honestly the headphones you've been waiting for. Stay comfortable, stay connected, stay aware. Experience richer bass and smarter features. Let technology work for you, not against you. Check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Ready to upgrade your audio experience? Try Soundcore AeroFit 2 by Anker today. Trust me, your ears and your world will thank you.